Don't want to make a mess though. Here we go. What's up here? Alright. So you hold this one in your right hand. The bracha Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Asher Kitshanu B'mitzvotav B'tzivanu Al Netilas Lulav. And then you hold them together and give a little shake. You did it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's all right. We'll get it. Sorry. You got it? That's all right. This one doesn't have a pitum, so we're okay.
$10?
Yeah, hold on. Let me just. I gotta bring this to Tom Shabila also. I gotta find him. How you doing? Is this a good show today for you?
Pardon me?
Is this a good show for you?
Oh yeah, Michael won the match game, but he didn't get grand prize, but he won.
Terry, has it been a lucrative show?
It's been good. October is always less than June because there are less people and so forth. But it's still been a steady show. And you know, the bottom line is, I am here because of my family. And that's, you know, I want to make my customer wholesale. Please drive careful. Take good care of everything else.
Yep, we'll be back in June.
It takes you under 40 minutes to put it on. Calm down, boy.
No, it wasn't me.
Oh, there you are.
No, it wasn't me. It's hard to keep track, right? Sometimes. When you're behind. So I used to bend here, so I totally understand. So many people come by and it's hard to keep track of them.
Here, just take 20.
Film, solve back. Okay. Take care.
10. We'll get you some 10.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
How you doing? What's going on? Hello. Just you keep it. You want to buy something else?
I have like
What's that?
well, yeah.
No? Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Last week ago, the cat crawled in there. And then opened to too far. And squeezed out.
Yeah, it goes into the rape scene.
And then so.
Oh, that's the worst feeling with practice. I like that feel.
Okay, good. Oh, Dr. Cyclops.
There was a couple that got through. They walked over there.
Right. It's always this situation on Saturday night. The Gary Clarke road, so that's quite. He was not making any sense. You were like, what the hell?
How you doing? Very good. Thank you for being nice to my kids.
Oh my
So
gosh,
sweet.
they're wonderful. They're
How you
having
guys
a
doing?
grand adventure.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Joe.
Hi, Joe. I'm Jareen. I'm Gary's wife.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
My
to
hands
meet
are full.
you. That's okay.
How you doing? What's going on? This is for the Feast of Tabernacles. We have a palm
Oh yeah.
and myrtle
Oh, yeah.
and willow and a citron. And that's in Leviticus. I think it's
Praise God.
Leviticus
Yep.
23 or 24. I don't remember exactly the chapter. Yeah. So it's the whole week. Yeah. Thank you. We enjoyed your talk last night. That was really interesting. Yeah.
Thank you.
You have your book here?
Well, I think your daughter Faith just bought the last
Oh,
one.
she bought one, so we got one.
Yeah, you
Okay.
got one. Yep. Sorry, she beat you to it.
All right. How are things? You enjoying the show?
Oh, yeah.
I enjoyed your stories last night. They were great, especially about with Mel Brooks with
Mel
the
Brooks with the glasses and
that
the
was
goofy-
funny. Yeah.
First time he
That's
told me that, I couldn't stop laughing. I'm like, you dork. He goes, I know. I was just sure he wasn't going to buy my script if he thought I was an actor.
That's funny.
All of those, that's right. All of those stories are in the book too.
Yeah.
So you're
All
going
right.
to love it. You're going to really enjoy the book.
Let's see what.
You gotta laugh out loud 3 times, though.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna ask for. I'm not gonna ask for
Why
a
not? My
rebate
mom did.
anyway. Yeah. All right. She knew all the stories already.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, she's funny. She was a character.
Great. Thank you.
Are you having
Oh yeah, we've been coming to this show for 11 years now. Yeah, and we drive up. We live in the Catskills, so it's about
Oh, it's beautiful.
6-7 hour drive. We come every year, and we look forward to this.
So
So,
fun.
we'll see you again. You're coming back in June again, you said?
We hope
If
so.
they invite me,
That's great.
I'll be here.
Yeah,
Yep.
you're on the list already. So
All right.
good.
Good.
yeah,
Good.
I think so, unless I'm mistaken.
The other actor, his name is Gary also.
Oh.
So it might be Gary Conway that's here.
Maybe
but
I got confused.
That's okay. He's wonderful too.
Yeah, I remember when both of you were
Funny.
here.
That's right.
Yeah.
You were
Yeah.
here then too.
Yeah,
Yeah, they bantered well back and forth.
it's awesome.
Yeah, it was really good. It was fun.
Awesome. I think I'll take this one. Yeah.
Okay.
want me to make it out to Joe?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that works.
So your children are
Faith, Rosalind, Sally, Solomon, Abraham. Moses is with my mom, and Dina. Yeah,
and Tina.
yeah. Oh, there he is. What was it like working with Sonny Tufts, right? Wasn't he in the... Oh, no, he was in the other one. He was in the Catwoman from the Moon. That was what this was a remake of, right? Sonny Tufts was in Catwoman, right? So I got confused. That was the...
How are
Good
you?
morning. I'm great. Thank you. How are you?
Doing great.
How you been doing, Tom?
Okay.
We'll sit down and talk about your book a little bit.
Yeah, please.
Put it in the show. Oh, thank you, sir. God bless.
God
And
bless.
you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, again, thank you. God bless you. Many more years. Keep enjoying life and keep enjoying everything.
You too. God bless you. Great children.
Thank you.
You got your job done, Dad.
Oh, I still got to work a little hard. I got to be nice. Yeah.
That's right.
I got to calm down a bit and stop yelling so much.
Yeah, that comes with time too.
Yeah, I
It's
work.
on the job training.
Well, I got a lot of stress. I work as a prison chaplain all week.
Wow.
So I work for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania as a prison chaplain. We brought Professor Shabilla to speak at the prison a couple of times. He gave 4 lectures at our prison.
What do you do?
I'm a professor at a community college in northeastern Pennsylvania. I teach public speaking, but I also teach film and film appreciation. So we've done several lectures there. So.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
This guy asked me to come in. I come in.
I was like, you want to go to jail?
Come to jail with me.
I remember I pull it up the first time. I'm going, what am I getting myself into here?
Wait a minute. What did I say?
No, but once you're in there, it doesn't feel like.
That's
Nothing but respect for you either.
Yeah,
so that's the other thing.
Yeah.
And then, so I've been there 7 years in the prison, and then they let me out of jail every day. And
Yeah,
since
you get to go home.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
I behavior.
That's real
Then you
trust.
Come,
And
then
then-
you come home to them.
and then since February, I have a congregation down on Long Island, so I travel a
My
lot.
goodness, yeah.
So I'm busy,
Yeah, you're busy.
but we're doing all right.
It all works out.
All right, God
It
bless you.
does.
Be well. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll sit down by your table here and